guys, this is Migo. Today I will show you how I made this effect using the EasyRB Pro add-on. It's very simple effect. I will show you how I made it. Okay, let's start a new project. As you see, we have this strawberry and we have this product, the yogurt product. I assume you can model this. It's very simple. It's just a simple cube with a material and you can model it very easy. For the strawberry, you can use the blender kit add-on and you just search here for strawberry and you will find very cool models for strawberry. You can use this one. Okay, I used this one. You download it, then you decimate it until at least you have like 20k triangles, because the original one, it has like almost 200k. So you need to optimize it a little bit, just to decimate it using the decimate here modifier. We can also decimate it again to make it very low poly. Okay, now we optimize it. What we're gonna do, you go right here to this setting, you make sure that your object is in the Euler mode, not the quaternion. Okay, now let's talk about the scale. Let's add for reference, let's add a cube, and as you see, this is our scale. We can scale down the cube like this until it covers our strawberry. Okay, now you can scale, you can see those values. You can apply it to your project 0.219. okay, it has to be in this scale to work. And let's remove this. Now let's talk about the effect. I'm gonna add an empty. Okay, we add an empty. Now let's animate it. We're gonna animate it in the z-axis like this. Okay, until 160. Let's animate it like this. Okay, maybe we need to make it a little bit faster like this. Okay, now let's add a driver in the z-axis. Okay, let's add a hashtag frame /30. okay, now as you see the empty is rotating, and this is cool. So what we're gonna do now we select the empty, we press emit. Okay, we have this green collection. First let's select our strawberry. Okay, and let's add rigid body active to it, and let's make the collision type to cone. Okay, as you see, the collision of the cone, it will be like this, which flip it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the edit mode and rotate this in the x-axis 100 degree. Okay, now we have the cone collision perfectly set up for our strawberry. So we're gonna rotate it again 100 degree in the object mode, and we have the collision correctly. Now we can delete this by pressing E 2 times and select remove the rigid body physics, because we don't need it to be in the rigid body physics. We're gonna emit it from this empty. So let's move this a little bit and press M and move it inside this collection. Okay, now our strawberry is inside this green collection, and let's select this and go to the RB emitter physics, and let's choose the collision type to be cone. Okay, this one, and let's try to emit. As you see, we get this emission like this of those strawberry. They have rigid body physics, but we need to tweak the settings a little bit to get that effect. The first, we need to set the emitter size to 0.5, and we're gonna emit each frame like this, and we're gonna make the speed loss 1, so the objects will not move at all. They will emit like this. Okay, see, and we're gonna remove this velocity of 5. We're gonna make it 0. Okay, we don't need any velocity. Now let's emit again. Okay, this is the effect that we are looking for, like this. We're gonna need to tweak a little bit other settings. The first settings we're gonna tweak is the scale size right here. We're gonna make the minimum 0.1, and we need to make it over 30 frame. Okay, so the objects or the strawberry will go from the minimum scale of 0.1 to maximum scale of 1 in 30 frame. Okay, let's emit again. Okay, like this is our effect, like this. Okay, cool. Now let's delete this. Let's press advance right here and choose the grid shape. Okay, we're gonna emit from grid, not from the first one, and we're gonna make the points number to 3 points. Okay, now let's emit again to see the effect. Okay, cool, but we have to increase the count a little bit. Let's make it 150 to see the effect. Now it will take a little bit longer, but we have this effect. Okay, cool, like this. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of angular rotation to those objects. So let's make it maybe 120, 120, and 120, and we're gonna make it random. Okay, make the angular rotation random. And what else? We're gonna need a little bit of friction, so let's make the friction 1, and let's increase the count to maybe 300. Okay, and let's try to emit again and see the effect. Okay, okay, let's see. I think the effect looking cool. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the RB physics panel and enable this manual keyframe. Select one of the strawberry and press E, select by name to select all the strawberry. Press on this arrow. Now we have selected the scale keyframes right here for all of those objects. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press T to change the interpolation to back like this. Let's see the effect right now. Okay, let's select them again and press right click and go in the type in the ease in mode and change it to ease in like this. Now let's see the effect. Okay, and that's it, our effect. Okay, see. Okay, I think we have to make the empty a little bit faster because now it's a little bit slow. Let's see in the original one how much it was. It was very fast like this. Okay, so almost from 20 to 75 or to 80. Okay, so let's make this here. Let's delete this emission. Let's make our empty in the 80, from the 20 to 80. Okay, we need to emit from frame 20. Okay, because now before it was emitting from the 0 frame. Now we need to emit from frame maybe 1 to 1. Okay, like this. And let's make this linear. Okay, let's emit right now from this empty. Okay, now we have the effect similar to the original one. Okay, we're gonna select the strawberry again, go to the RB physics, select the scale keyframes, press T, make the interpolation to back. Let's see the effect. Okay, select them again, right click and make the ease in mode to ease in. Okay, now let's see the effect, and that's it, the effect. Very cool. Okay, let's see in this mode. Yep, that's it, our effect. Now let's move those up right here. This product, let's move it up right here, and let's give it rigid body. Okay, we give it rigid body, and if we try right now, it will drop like this. Okay, and it will collide with those strawberry. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keyframe it to drop in that frame. Okay, frame 70. Okay, let's go to the kinematic and press here set kinematics. This will make it drop at frame 70. Okay, like this, and it will drop. Okay, but as you see, it will drop and stay like this. Okay, because the objects right here does not have a speed. Okay, they will stay very stiff. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this this object have a little bit of weight. Okay, so we're gonna increase the mass of the object to maybe 30 kilograms or 50 kilograms like this, and let's see. and now as you see it will move a little bit down, but I think we need to increase the weight to maybe 80. Okay, let's see, 80. I think it's still not moving fast enough, so let's increase it to 120. Okay, and let's rotate it a little bit like this. Okay, okay, now it's very cool like this. As you see, it will drop inside those fruits like this. Okay, very nice. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just select this one and duplicate it, Shift D, duplicate it up, and let's move it like this, duplicate it one more time like this, and let's see the effect. Okay, and yep, this is the same effect that I made. Very easy and very simple. Now you can set up a camera and a little bit of lighting and call it a day. Yep, this is our effect. So basically the effect, it was to emit the objects with those settings. Okay, and to change the scale keyframes. Okay, now if we change the interpolation of the objects by pressing ease out, it will change the effect. Okay, see how it will be. But if we use the interpolation to ease in, it will give us this cool effect of the objects. Okay, and as you see, we increased the mass of those this product to 120 kg to make it go inside those fruits. Okay, okay, and we rotate it a little bit. As you see, we rotate it a little bit in the x-axis to make those two objects go and slide in this direction. Okay, so we rotate it a little bit to make those objects slide and go in this direction. Okay, they will fall in this direction. And to make, if it will not work for you, you can select this one and make the friction 0 to increase the this effect of sliding. Okay, I think you got the idea of this effect. Okay, like this, and it's exactly what I made. Now let's go back to the original one. I show you the lighting of this one because someone asked me for the lighting setup of this animation. So what I used right here in the world shading, I used this gradient texture. It's a node. You can just search here for a gradient texture and make this radial like this, and choose a color ramp and put right here a color of black and here color of red, and plug it in this setup nodes. And for the other light, I just use one single light in this angle. Okay, and the power of the light is 1000 watt, and I make the spread a little bit narrow like this, 122, and that's it for this setup and this simulation. Okay, it was very easy. I think there is nothing left to explain about this. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and thank you for watching.